The average person touches their phone 2,617 times a day. Every scroll, every like, every tap, recorded, analyzed, predicted. I'm diving deep into the hidden ways social media is secretly controlling our lives. And for the next week, I'm trying to live completely without it.
You think you're using the app, but what if the app is using you?
We live in an era where attention is the new currency. Your time, your thoughts, your emotions, they're being bought, sold, and engineered for profit. Social media doesn't just show you what you like, it shapes what you like. It curates your beliefs, rewires your habits, and quietly manipulates your emotions. And most of us have no idea how deep it goes. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Social media isn't free. You pay for it, not with money, but with your mind. Platforms are designed to exploit your psychology. Every notification triggers dopamine. Every like releases oxytocin, the same chemical linked to love and trust. It's not coincidence. It's design. The more you react, the longer you stay. The longer you stay, the more data they mine.
You're not the customer, you're the product.
And the effects? Anxiety, comparison, disconnection. People are more connected than ever, yet lonelier than ever. We curate digital perfection but live real exhaustion. We measure worth in followers, validation in views, and every scroll teaches your brain to crave approval more than peace. That's how control begins, not through force, but through dependence. Let's break down the science of how social media engineers behavior. 1. Algorithms aren't neutral. They don't show you reality. They show you what keeps you scrolling. Conflict, outrage, fear, those emotions glue you to the screen. The algorithm studies your micro-reactions, how long you pause on a post, which comment you expand, what you replay. It doesn't just know what you see, it knows what you feel. 2. Comparison as currency. You don't realize it, but every scroll is a psychological lottery. You see someone happier, richer, fitter, and it triggers your reward and threat systems simultaneously. Your brain whispers, "You're falling behind." That's not your insecurity, and it's engineered anxiety. 3. The dopamine trap. Likes and notifications mimic gambling psychology. You keep checking, not knowing when the reward will hit. A perfect loop of anticipation and emptiness.
They don't want your attention for minutes. They want your addiction for life.
After just 48 hours off social media, something strange happened. The silence was uncomfortable at first. No dopamine hits, no constant stimulation. But then, I started noticing things again. I heard the wind. I looked people in the eye. I felt my thoughts stretch beyond 15 seconds. That's when it hit me. The real control isn't what social media shows you. It's what it takes away. Your attention span, your patience, your presence. Marcus Aurelius warned, "You become what you give your attention to." If you feed your mind chaos, you become chaotic. If you feed it envy, you become restless. Social media isn't evil, it's indifferent. Its goal isn't truth, it's time. It's not designed to enlighten you, it's designed to engage you.
They can't control your thoughts, so they control what you think about.
And that's the revelation. The only way to beat the system is to see it. When you understand that every scroll is a transaction, attention for manipulation, you start choosing differently. You start reclaiming your mind. So, how do you break free? Not by deleting everything, but by using it consciously. Set intentional limits. Use social media with purpose, not out of boredom. Audit your feed. Unfollow what drains you. Keep what elevates you. Protect your mornings. Don't let algorithms set your tone for the day. Meditate, move, breathe before you scroll. Rebuild your attention. Read, reflect, walk, anything that strengthens focus. Because awareness is rebellion. The Stoics faced distraction in their own time, crowds, noise, politics, but their discipline was the same. If you wish to be free, do not wish for things beyond your control. Epictetus. You can't control algorithms, but you can control attention. You can't stop manipulation, but you can stop responding blindly. So ask yourself right now, who's really in control? You or the feed? Because the moment you reclaim your attention, you reclaim your life.
If you don't control your mind, someone else will.
Social media isn't your enemy. It's a mirror, one that reflects both your habits and your hunger. The danger isn't in using it, it's in forgetting who's using who. Stay aware, stay sovereign, because awareness is the one algorithm they can't control. Subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for the next episode. Thanks for being with the Stoic Quotient, where ancient strength meets modern life.